Hello everyone, let's go through the most important part where you can earn with Click Home Income, and that is through our Job Hunter Pro. So this is basically a tool where Click Home Income searches the job for you that you want, and then you just choose whether you want to do it or not. So for example, basing on the tool that the Click Home Income has, a voiceover tool, let's try to search a voiceover gig. Just choose the platform, Upwork for example, click search, and then there you have it. It's up to you which one you want here. Let's try clicking this one, and then you will be redirected to the site, and then the job description will be there. Again, it's up to you whether you want to take up the job or not. Maybe you want to look for another one. Let's try looking for another one. And there you have it. So you can use Click Home Income's voiceover tool for these gigs. So I'm going to show you how to use the voiceover tool. So it's very simple and easy. So here you can type in whatever you want, or you can simply copy paste the text that you want to be converted into speech. So here I copy pasted something and I just choose the language. I'm going to choose English, I'm going to choose American, and then you can also choose the voice that suits your taste. So you just click convert, and then after a few seconds it'll appear here. Just click play.
Using the same system that I'm about to share with you,
so you can check whether the text and the voice match, and then after that you can click download and it'll automatically download on your device. As simple as that. So for example, you want a different language. So I'm gonna type in Japanese here. And then you choose the language, again, Japanese, and then choose the voice that suits your taste. So click convert again, and then after a few seconds, this will appear, and then you just click play.
おはようございます。
And if you think that's good enough, you just click download again, and it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try searching another gig using another platform. Maker. So here we have lots of templates that's already done for you, and you just choose and edit which one you like. So let's go with this. You can move it around or just simply replace the letters or the words. So as easy as that, you can already click save, and then it'll be saved in this tab. And then here you can see all your past works, and here the one I recently did. So you can choose to edit it here again, and then you can also click here to download. So it'll automatically be downloaded onto your device. So let's try designing another one. Let's try this one. So here we can edit the text, and we could also change the image. Just click delete and click open here and change and click overlay image and just choose the image you want and click open. So after this, you just click save and then okay, and let's go back and go to your save designs, and you can see it here. So you can choose to edit it again or download it. So click download and it'll automatically download onto your device. These are just some examples of the many tools you can monetize with Click Home Income. Happy earning!